Okay, it's checkout day. So every school is different on what they require. My school is requiring me to take everything off the walls because they're gonna paint though. That's good. But bulletin boards can stay up because they'll paint around that. But like any kind of art, my diplomas, all that stuff has to come off. And that's what we're doing today. All right, that wall was super easy. Moving on to the next one. Oh yeah, her mom's probably doing the same thing. All right, so this wall I was allowed to keep up last year, and they were like, well, if it's gonna be covered the whole year, no need to paint it. So I gotta text him and see what he says. Hopefully it's the same, I don't know. So Rosie, the riveter, is in there real solid. She's a metal sign, so we'll have to come back to that one. Good news, he stopped by and he said, this can stay. We're ready to go. No, not ready to go. Still more work to do. This is the space that needs the most work. Okay, so one thing about teaching middle school is that the words of affirmation from students are very few and far between. So you gotta cherish each one of them, but they're also exponentially more meaningful, or so it feels. So one thing I do is I keep everything that is ever given to me from students, and then some of the things get hung up on my wall, so that's what I'm taking down next. I gotta move it. Why? Because I gotta take everything off the wall, so I gotta pull it. So last year I asked a lot of advice about what to do with the things that I have on my walls, and some of the options you guys gave me were like wrapping them up in trash bags and putting your name on it. That scared me a little because I was afraid that my very hardworking people over the summer might just see it as trash and throw it away. Then other people said, if you don't want it to get ruined, you just take it home with you. So that's what I've been doing. I just find a little corner of my garage to keep it in over the summer. So here's some of the things that I take home with me for the summer. This piece of art, the picture was donated to me, and I purchased the frame, and I never want that to get ruined, so I take that with me. Hello. All right, so the mirror is gonna come home with me because I don't want it to get broken. It's not that expensive, but also I'm not gonna buy it again. So, and then these other pieces of art, or that picture, I really don't want that picture to get ruined. And then some of these art things that are a little more big. So that's what I take home with me. Also coming home with me are food items that might expire by next year. That is because I do a Julius Caesar investigation.
Oh, I remember you told me about that.
Mm-hmm. Where they investigate who killed. windy. Somebody help. Oh my goodness.
We don't want to throw your bucket in.
No, bucket stays with me. No, it's falling. Ah! Woo! We did it!
We can do it.
All right, that is all for our classroom checkout day. It went way more smoothly than I expected. So we are going to take our Lunchables and we are going to go home. Happy summer! Yeah.
I can't get it.
Okay. My sweet helper. Done is right. Let's go home. I refuse to erase you. And you.